Hey guys, I'm here with Reagan, and we're here to discuss the top 10 apps that a physical therapist can use for iPad or iPhone. I did a little bit of research, and one website had a really good setup on the top 10 apps, and they kind of broke it down into three main types. They broke it down into patient education, staff, and student education, and then actual clinic tools. The first three apps, they're all pretty similar. They're called Shoulder Decide, Knee Decide, or Spine Decide, and they show common treatment approaches towards injuries. Kind of makes it easily available to the patients so they can be at home and actually see, the kind of treatment that they're going to be getting for the injury that they have. Another one is Muscle and Bone 3D. This one's $7.99, a little expensive, but it's easy for them to see in 3D, what muscles hurt or what bone is hurt or which tendon or ligament is hurt. So they have a better understanding of what they're actually getting and what kind of treatment they're getting. Another one is Pocket Body. This one's really expensive. It's $20. But this one actually shows, the layers of tissue. Uh, it's really good for patients to really see what their anatomy looks like and what is actually hurt or torn or just out of place, that they get a good visual of what they're fixing. Uh, the next one's muscle anatomy. Again, it shows the anatomy of the body, just helping these people to better understand what's going on with them, which is really good. You need that. Another one is goniometer. That's an obvious one. The phone acts as a goniometer. Goniometer is what you use to measure degrees of bending in any joint, mostly knee, elbow, or hip. But with this, you can actually use your phone to measure the amount of degrees of flexion or extension that the joint will be getting. Another one is stopwatch timers. You can use this for the amount of time you're walking, the amount of time you're biking, doing any exercises. They could use this app to keep track of the time that they're doing that exercise. Another one is medical Spanish. This one could be really good if you're not, if you're not fluent in Spanish and you do have Spanish patients, especially in the South or anywhere near Mexico. This would be a really good app to use to help you understand what the patient's trying to say and help understand where they're coming from better so you can better treat them. And then another one is ICD-9 Consult 2011. You can use this one. This is mostly for the therapist to get their codes down. Each treatment plan, each injury has a different code. And that's how you charge a patient. That's how you charge the insurance when they come to see you. So you can use that app to make sure you're getting your codes right and you're getting your charges right. Other than that's my top 10 right there. I think those all would be really useful doing physical therapy work and helping the patient understand everything that's going on with them. So, what do you think of those, Reagan?
Sounds good to me.
Awesome. Everybody have a good night. Thank you.